you start by, I guess, so you were vaccinated just now. How does the shot compare to other, say a flu shot
Pretty painless.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then does it feel, because these are the ones that are stored at extra cool temperatures,
Yes.
yeah. Does it feel cold?
No.
No. Okay. And then I guess so can you maybe first start by telling me, in your work, in what context do you encounter patients with COVID?
So I'm medical director of the ICU and then also a pulmonary and critical care physician. So I deal primarily with the sickest COVID patients here. I primarily spend my time in the intensive care unit managing patients on ventilators, as well as seeing some of the sicker patients who are still out on the medical floor.
And so, I guess, how has COVID impacted the way that you go about your job?
Oh, significantly. Training in a larger institution, I was pretty used to busy ICUs. Dubuque is a smaller community. The ICU here is generally not, near as busy as it has been the last, 8 to 9 months. So it's been a big change. I've spent a lot of hours managing a lot of sick people, and certainly, affects the day-to-day, life in a lot of ways.
Yeah. And so how has receiving the vaccine, has that changed the way you feel at all about your exposure risk?
I'm certainly happy to be vaccinated, and I am grateful for the ability to get this vaccine, the advancements, and what that means for hopefully ending the pandemic in the coming months.
And in terms of your own personal risk, I mean,
otherwise I certainly am grateful to be able to reduce my risk. It doesn't change, that I'm still going to be around COVID people. Still, the importance of wearing a mask, counting up, wearing respirators into patients' rooms. But it's certainly an added layer of protection and knowing that I don't have the potential to take that home to my family.
When did you first learn that you would be receiving a vaccination today?
About an hour ago.
Okay. And can you, what did you think when you heard it?
I was certainly, grateful to be able to get it. Had signed up earlier in the week when, we were under the impression first would be available and then had to be rescheduled a couple times just due to, what were initially thought to be delays in getting the vaccine. So yes, I was certainly, pleasantly surprised when I found out I'd be able to get it today.